So very soon you will know what machines I'm talking about. So Dubai is a place where forgotten dreams wait for a second chance. So we are talking about Dubai, a city where tomorrow arrives before rest of the world finishes their breakfast. Behind $1 million showrooms, most of the luxury hotels, there's always something interesting. And a city where impossible becomes ordinary. So Dubai is a place where forgotten dreams wait for a second chance. Every scratch tells a story, every dent hides a mystery, and every abandoned machine is waiting for someone brave to bring it back to life. So very soon you will know what machines I'm talking about, and believe me, you will love it. So I'll take you to a place where our journey begins, where some cars sit for years and some been sold in an hour. Let's go. So this is the place where cars arrive from different places. Banks, private owners, salvage yards, and many other places. Some have survived the accident, but some haven't. So thousands of cars arrives daily in different auction yards with the different damages. For some people, they can be fixed, and for some people, they are only a piece of a scrap, a metal scrap. Some cars like this look 100% perfect from outside, but they got mechanical or electrical failures, and some of them got body damages, but they are more strong and powerful with the engine itself. So for some people, this place is nothing more than a scrap yard. But for some experienced buyers, this place is full of opportunities. Because beneath every cracked panel, bent suspension, and faded paints, there is still engineering worth saving. This is the place where everything starts. The auction. So everything happens very fast. The auctioneer starts talking very fast. The prices raise very fast. With the blink of an eye, thousands of dirhams. Someone is looking for profit. Someone is looking for the rare gem. And someone is looking for only spare parts. This is the place where everything happens. So some people make millions here and some lose millions. So in short, it's a gamble. So after lots of bidding, finally the highest bidder wins the race. Winning the auction is just the beginning. Now it comes the hard part. Weeks, sometimes months, every bolt matters, every measurement matters, every decision matters. A single mistake can turn the bargain into a disaster. Panels are replaced, suspension aligned, engine rebuilt, paint are layered carefully until the damage disappeared. It's not just a repair, it's craftsmanship, it's patience, and sometimes it's an art. And slowly, piece by piece, the forgotten machine starts to breathe again. And then the moment arrives. The car that entered the garage covered in the dust is no more a piece of scrap, is no more a waste, but it's something remarkable. Because the piece of a scrap turns into someone's dream car, a second chance. Because every great machine deserves one more story.